Hey everybody, my name is Karina, welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chicken enchilada soup. For this recipe, I'm using 1 pound of skinless thighs and we're going to season them with the following spices. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Make sure to season both sides. Now it's time to cook our chicken. On a pot on medium heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the chicken. And we're going to brown on each side for 2 to 3 minutes. While the chicken is browning, I'm going to roast 2 Anaheim peppers. They're now ready. I'm going to clean them and cut them into small pieces. It's been 3 minutes and I'm going to flip them. After 3 minutes, we add half of a small white onion, the 2 Anaheim roasted peppers that I already cleaned and cut into smaller pieces, salt to taste. We give it a mix and we saute for 3 to 4 minutes. It's been 3 minutes and I'm gonna add 6 cups of chicken broth. And now we let it come to a boil. It's now boiling. Set the heat to low. Cover it up. Cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the chicken thighs are fully cooked. It's been 10 minutes and we're gonna remove the chicken and let it cool off. Now we're gonna add 2 cups of the broth to a bowl and whisk in half a cup of masa until it thickens. Once it's thickened just like this, we're gonna return it to the pot. Mix it well. Next, we're gonna add 1 cup of red enchilada sauce, the shredded chicken, give it a mix. Once it's well combined, we add a can of Campbell's cheddar cheese soup. We give it a mix. This is a perfect hack for your soup. It's gonna make it more thick, flavorful, and creamy. Once it's fully combined, keep the heat on low. Continue cooking for 20 minutes, stirring it occasionally. It's been 20 minutes and I'm gonna turn off the heat. Now we're gonna add 4 ounces of cream cheese and mix until it's completely melted. And last, we add a cup of cheddar cheese. We mix, and once it's completely melted, your soup is now ready to serve. And now we serve a delicious plate of chicken enchilada soup. Now we garnish with some Pico de Gallo and some tortilla strips and a squirt of sour cream. And there you have it, delicious chicken enchilada soup. All right guys, I'm so ready for this. It smells delicious. Cheers. So good. It tastes just like enchiladas without the mess of making enchiladas. Perfect. And with this cold weather, even better. You definitely need to try this recipe. It's so delicious and creamy. All right guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.